Going on, guys? What a crazy day today, or just not as eventful. Pretty much a red day for me today. It's been forcing trades. I don't know if Biden is speaking yet, but we had phone news this morning, as well as FOMC this afternoon at 2. The morning, the 10 o'clock news gave us a little bit of volatility within this 15-minute candle. 2 o'clock FOMC minutes, not as much. We're in between. If I'm not mistaken, these are two fair value gaps, 4-hour fair value gaps. This one is actually, this is not the correct one. Do I have a smaller one here? 4-hour. So in between these two. And again, guys, I am biased with this with this 4-hour market maker sell model. Finally got our low risk entry here. So prices just been kind of playing around up here. Daily. Let's see, yesterday let's see, that close was 28.80.25. This high was 28.80.50. So yeah, it did close below. Keep that on. Trying to get rid of this because I was wrong choosing that. The daily buy should have been bearish for the day, which I can go ahead and tap that. We're getting positive reaction to this daily volume imbalance. I did have the wick CE marked out here on the daily. So for me, if we're gonna continue bearish, don't want the daily candle to close above that wick CE. I'll probably try to take some trades. You see this, the 15-minute 215 candle took out the sell side, dipped back into the 4-hour fair value gap, and pushed up. So I'm sure I missed the breaker entry. Yeah. So this would have been the 1-minute breaker after tapping into the 4-hour FVG. Let's see where it broke here. Came back and retested. Entry would have been here at $20,933.50. Been aiming for here. Here, let's put this. So, this is what that trade would look like. Partials here. We'll trade there. Not exactly 2R. So 2R. 2R would have been back somewhere just below the wick. Daily wick CD. Looks like I would have been taking partials there. So I got stopped out here. You guys can see I was trying to take buys. What I was looking at was it's based off of the 4 hour. This is the 2 o'clock. Okay. So the 6 a.m. 4 hour candle, it closed above the 2 a.m. 4 hour candle, meaning the high of the 6 a.m. 4 hour candle would have been the algo target. So I was still trying to catch that, but you guys can see I ended up getting stopped out. I bought here and got stopped out on this candle right here. So what time is it? 3:12. I really don't see where I could get in. Let's see. Let's see if it's in the code has already been taken. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. All those breakers have been taken. And this would have been another entry this high, about this low. So that would have been a second entry, second opportunity. Yeah, let's see, 2R. Moving here closer to R. I might try to see if I can catch another breaker. The breaker sets up. See if another breaker sets up. So yeah, I've just been pretty much trying to trade at work and when getting off early afternoon, and I just try to stream as much as possible. I have to get up and leave here soon. Our son has robotics practice today, so we just have to type that one. Maybe a breaker. Or probably could try to look for a discounted retracement. That stand out. Maybe see if we could possibly get a fair value gap entry here. It's in discount. If I get a break, now I may try to see if I can get a breaker entry there. So this would be a possible breaker. Go back and look at the daily really quick because I was bullish. So again, let's just do it like this. So again, the high was 28.80.50, and the close on this was 28.80.25. So yeah, it closed below. So yeah, I should have only been bearish. However, the 9:30 open was above midnight open. So that kind of gave me a bullish bias. I mean, for the most part, even though you can see from 7 to now, price has been going sideways, but you can see for the most part, it's been wicking and pushing to the upside, up until this point. So. Get an opportunity. So let's take a look at that 1500 in. So it didn't break any significant lows and it tapped inside of this 4-hour FVG. So yeah, I will be bearish. Excuse me, bullish. See if we get a discounted entry here. Try that. I will try that. Put my stop here. And maybe go for break even here. Let's see if this works out. You guys think this will work out? fair value gap here. I think I'm gonna tighten my stop up. And let's go for stops just below one candle of that fair value gap. This over. Let's see what happens. I don't think Biden has spoken yet. Let me check the White House YouTube page. Yeah, he still hasn't come out. Still has the we will begin shortly, so that's the only problem I'm looking at. This low about this high. So that is a bearish breaker that I just traded again. So I don't know. This is probably not gonna work out. This is just not my day to day. I'll be right back. Gonna grab an apple. All right, I'm back. See if we have reversed that fair value gap. Let's get rid of this annotation as well as discount notation. That is a sweet and juicy apple. See, this high is 29.52.50, 29.52.75. So I may try a second entry right here. Get a break above there. We pierce the high. See if maybe I want to come down to this fair value gap. I don't want to move my stop and profit. I'm probably gonna wish I had. It's probably gonna head lower. Excuse me. Seems to be working out for me just a little bit. See if it's gonna close above it and give displacement. I don't like that. Go ahead and move my stop in the profit. See if I can get another entry. Okay, let's see if we get a retest. We can modify this to 2. Bring this down. And instead of break even, let's see if I can take a partial here. Still have a fair value gap right here. So I won't move my stop just yet. We do have this fair value gap to get through. See if we can inverse it. I mean, I've been, hate to get stopped out prematurely. And then I also hate to take an L. Been taking L's all day. It's probably gonna come back down. At least until this fair value gap. Which actually kind of somewhat gives us a unicorn setup, but let's just see. I want to push through that. I'll go ahead and move my stop in profit. Just because I might be too far in profit. So, that closed, that 1 minute counter closed below. So it's probably that larger for you guys. So we'll bring it down some. All right, so the algo target has been met on that 1 minute count. Let's see if it keeps pushing up. See if we get a close above this down close candle. Come on, don't come back and stop me out. A little bit more profit. Give me a little bit more profit. I'll just let it stop out. I didn't give it room to breathe, so let's see if we get another entry. This part gonna stop me out in profit. Come on, draw back up, draw back up, draw back up, draw back up. It's gonna stop me out. It's gonna come get that low. The 354 candle. That could be a thing. I'll take one in this regard. All right, it tagged that low. Let's see if it just stops there and turns around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Sweep that low. Close above the low. Close above the low. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, it closed above. It should start attacking the upside. Come on. No, no, no. No, no, no. No. We'll see if we get another entry somewhere. Maybe price will come down in this fair value gap. See if we get an entry in this fair value gap right here. Going with two contracts. Look, that stop loss too much. So if they come down and then get fuel to go further to the upside. That's a shame, guys. Look at that. Excuse me. I hold the stop loss a little too much, but you can't really be upset when you get stopped out in profit because it could be worse, right? So let's see if we get an entry into that fair value gap. We'll see if the breaking block is just gonna hold all together. So we're gonna 50% retracement. Excuse me. No 50% retracement as of yet. It's just pushing. Man, that sucks. 50% retracement as of yet. It's just pushing. Stayed in. Man, that sucks. Okay. 50% retracement as of yet. It's just pushing. Stayed in. Man, that sucks. Okay. 50% retracement as of yet. It's just pushing. Stayed in. Man, that sucks. Okay. 'Sorry for the double audio. It's not a dry. Let's see. Oh, let me throw my fractals on here. This hard. Did not take my needle. That was inversed. Man, if only I hadn't hooked my stop loss, I would have still been in the trade. So that's been my issue lately. It's reading the market has been on point, um, but just my timing has just been off. I've been trying my best to um, work on my patience, and it's like even though I've been patient, it's still, still has been stopping me out. So time is it? 3:45. We'll see if 350 to 410 will kind of give us some displacement to the upside. Um, why am I still bullish? Really don't know. Let me see. See if I can make a case for it. I really don't have a case for it other than, the 15-minute failed to take out this low. So yeah, the market is probably reaching to this high and it'll probably head lower. So maybe what I'll do is look for um, look for buy side liquidity to be swept, buy side 15-minute liquidity to be swept, and look for sales. And we just kind of go from there. Now again, this is the daily wick CE. So we don't want that daily calendar close above that. Oh my God, I could have still been in the trade. Mm, it sucks. And quite frankly, sucks. I could have took this. It broke. I came back and retested it. It went up. So I don't have my weekly. Yeah, I think we're gonna be bearish in the week. No, we're bullish in the week. Yeah. So yeah, that's why. That's why. That's why. That's why. Let's see if any breaker blocks form. Let's just wait. Wait to get a rejection on the 15-minute. See if we get one. It's buy side, and I'll look for shorts. So we got a 15-minute wick right here. Let me just see what that's looking like. It hasn't been tapped into yet, so maybe price will probably reach up into here on the 15-minute. I'll just slide this over. I'm on a bigger monitor here, so that's all I'm kind of looking over. Maybe I should move it. I may end up moving it. Just been hanging out in my garage lately doing these streams. in the 350 to 410 macro. I'm getting that version there. Let's see if this is inverse. Sounds good. Respect it. See, is Biden speaking yet? He's already spoken. So watch that. All right. Let's go to the release. Go back to the 15-minute. Let's see. We're gonna keep reaching here. We've already reached the algo target. Yeah, maybe it goes. So that high. Get rid of these. Yeah, that 15-minute was inverse. 6% higher. I may look into a 15-minute breaker. We're all way off from all-time highs. We could get there. As far as the Dow going up today, ooh, about 122 points. That's what's up. Got about 4 minutes left in this candle. is reaching. Let's see. And so this would be the 15-minute breaker. If it closes above that, if not, take a lower breaker. Two minutes left in this candle. Oh man, if I would have just no, look my stop loss, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh man. That's wild. That's wild. That's wild. Crazy, crazy push. Late afternoon. That's wild. That is wild. Got about a minute left in this 15-minute candle. And I'll drop down to the 1 minute and see if I get a 1 minute breaker. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. All right, they may want to retrace back within this last hour. Let's see. All right. So I'm going to be looking for maybe this breaker right here on the 15 minute. To clear some of this up. We've taken that, taking that, taking that. All right. So I'm just gonna wait for price to drop down into this blue shaded area, which will be this 15-minute breaker, and I'll look for a 1 minute bullish breaker. So, did we close? We didn't close about that, yeah. So it's respecting this the week CE on this 15-minute candle right here so far. So we'll see. We'll see if it happens. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna have to hop off at 4:30. So just to be clear, my objective is to see if we push down into this 15-minute breaker area and see if we're presented with a 1 minute bullish breaker. It's tough. Trading is tough. All right, so we closed below the previous 1 minute high, so price should seek below the 1 minute 401 candle, which it did. I needed that trade, guys. I needed that trade. Guys, I really don't use. Never mind. I don't have no on this one. All right, it should be pushing down more. All right, waiting, waiting for a set up possible. Take a look back at that 50. Yeah, we closed above. We wait here. So far, this would be this this bullish candle, this indecision, and this bullish candle would be the breaker if price comes down, takes out this low, and then takes out this high. But we'll see what the market does. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still in sorrow over that trade. I'm in mourning. I'm down in like a little over $300 on this eval account, and I'm just ready to get it passed and just knew I probably could have dug myself out of that. I think it was about $283 off of a 25K eval account. So trying to be patient, trying to be patient. So we're gonna have to get out of here soon. Excuse me. Excuse me. Just waiting for a bullish breaker setup. And that would not that's not gonna be a breaker. I need for price to tap into this 15-minute breaker before I can look for bullish breaker setup on the 15 on the 1 minute. So now we are inside of this 4 hour fair value gap, which is my low risk entry for the 4 hour market maker sell model. But I'm not 100% sold that that is actually what's going on. So and if you guys catch Biden's speech just a little bit ago, seems like whatever he said kind of took took us out of this small consolidation right here. I mean, we still have this high, see this high and this low. So I mean, technically we're still kind of in this range, but seems to be kind of pushing it. So throw this up for you guys. No, I do not use the indicators. I just have them on my screen because I just feel like that attracts, people just see the different lines and colors, even the color scheme. So it's just an attempt just to kind of, I don't know, just to kind of attract people maybe to pop in and to see what's going on. Still waiting for a dip down into that breaker block. Hopefully it takes place before 4:30. If not, back to the drawing board. We'll be at it again tomorrow. Or at least I will. I don't know if I'll be able to stream. Oh man. Just waiting. Watching paint dry. So waiting for a pullback inside of this 15-minute breaker, but we actually do have a unicorn set up, so I may just need to wait for this 15-minute fair value gap to get tapped into to look for my bullish breaker. So that is, we have another fair value gap inside this breaker as well, but we'll look for that. This one. Let's see if I can change these colors a little bit. There we go. That 15-minute breaker right there. So that would be a unicorn setup. On the 15 minutes, see if we get a tap into it with 1 minute. And we did. Yeah, we closed above. We closed above that 15-minute home. Yes, yeah, we should be still bullish. All right, kind of getting a push down now. That's what you want to set up as. See what happens. Sounds like a practice here. Almost there. Just playing around with me. Have you guys taken any trades this afternoon? What say you? Maybe it's just setting me up for a lower breaker. Oh man. It's like we're getting some inducement here. Got some inducement here right above this 15-minute fair value gap. So I'm gonna say I may use this indecision candle as a breaker right there. Get a close above that. I can't do that. I needed to at least tap into that fair value gap. I needed to at least tap into that fair value gap. I might regret it, but we just like right above a 15-minute fair value gap. We got this inducement. I know, like, yeah, we just closed above 1 minute liquidity here. I mean, that is a breaker, but it's just, man, this inducement right here. I'm probably gonna regret it. I'm probably gonna regret it like I regretted hugging my stop loss on that last trade, but it's better to be safe than sorry, right? Like on the 15 minute we have that fair value gap, then we also have another fair value gap here. We got one, two, like three stabs up here. Price could come down and look for like discount inside of here. So yeah, I think I would be fool to take that. And I need to be off the stream at 8 minutes anyway, so yeah. It is what it is. Shit, looks like it wicked above. No, didn't even take this. It didn't even take this high. So it probably will. It could come all the way back to yeah. I think I made it right choice. Live to trade another day. Like I said, I'm only down 283 on this 25K eval. So I mean, it's not a big hole, but it is a hole to come out of. But it is what it is. Man, I'm getting notification after notification. Check my voice out real quick. It looks like it may have been working out, but I appreciate the 3 people joining me on this live stream. Thank you guys for tapping in. I also thank you guys for liking the stream. I do appreciate it. Makes me want to rush home more after work and hop on the stream, kind of like back in the day, rushing home after school to hop on the Nintendo, telling my age, the PS1. Now I was really off the porch when it comes to gaming. Super Nintendo, so I want to say around for real, about 94, 96. So anyway, it that just has this that same kind of feel for me. So we're gonna try to get things back popping on the channel. Um, we didn't just get 3,000 subs by chance, but we'll get things back on the channel. But anyway, blabbing a lot. Oh, so I might have to get out of here. Come on, push. Let's see, how's the daily moving? So Monday high of the week, Tuesday low of the week. We've just been ranging like crazy. Man, I can't believe that I missed all of that. I missed all of that. Yeah, I see where bought in here, bought in again here, move my stop loss in profit, got stopped out here, and it does what? Just goes in the direction I was trading. It's crazy. This may have been a good bullish breaker setup, but I already moved the goalpost with saying, "Hey, 15-minute fair value gap tap." Opposed to just waiting on that 15-minute breaker. So I'm not gonna do it again. I'm not gonna do it again. I am gonna live to trade another day. I was probably I wonder how this is looking on the day. All this green. Look at all that green. Look at technology sector. Green, 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 green. We've been going sideways, but NQ um, has moved to the upside positively today. Is Let me refresh the screen. NQ is up 119 points right now, so not bad, not bad. Let's get back over and see if we can jump back on this trade. If my chart loads. All right, guys, 20 seconds. I'm gonna have to get out of here. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you tuned in earlier, you see the trade I was talking about. Today has been a crappy day for me. Again, overall, I'm inside of a 25K Apex eval. I'm down about $283. So no, it's not a big hole, but it is a hole. And I just really want to go ahead and get this passed. But I am definitely trying to practice and utilize proper account risk management. I mean, essentially, yes, it's a 25K account, but it's really a $1,500 account, with the trailing drawdown. And because of the stupid trailing drawdown, it's really less. It's really less than 1,500 for me at this point. So I'm just trying to use proper account risk management, um, trade during the times that I know um, there's volatility and there is success in the various entry models, ICT concept entry models that I use. So it looks like, yeah, we'll be getting this pushed down, but I gotta go and get ready and get my son to his robotics camp for this evening. So if I don't talk to you guys again, happy Thanksgiving to you. And as always, I pray for safe trading and investing. All right, guys, until next time, I